Hey there, and welcome to our channel. Today, I'm here to talk to you about the Optimus GV75MG waterproof wired GPS tracker. This little device is a game changer when it comes to tracking your motorcycles, boats, machinery, and other valuable assets. First things first, this tracker is IP67 waterproof, so you can rest assured that it will withstand the elements and keep performing at its best. Its hardwired installation requires only a 2-wire setup, so it's easy to install if you have the basic knowledge. But if you're not comfortable doing it yourself, I highly recommend seeking professional help. What sets the Optimus GV75MG apart from the rest is its low power consumption and affordable monthly fee of just $12.95, and the best part? No contracts or hidden fees. With the iPhone and Android app, you'll have easy and fast tracking at your fingertips. It updates every 30 seconds and on corners, so you'll never miss a beat. But that's not all. This little device also sends email and text alerts for movement, speeding, leaving or entering areas, and even when energy is disconnected. Plus, with driving reports and 1 year of tracking historical data saved during service, you'll have all the information you need right at your fingertips. And the cherry on top? The SIM card and data plan are included, and the unit is FCC and PTCRB certified with coverage in the USA. So, what are you waiting for? Say goodbye to the worry of losing track of your valuable assets. Click the link in the description to get your hands on the Optimus GV75MG waterproof wired GPS tracker today. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more content like this. Thanks for watching.